Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can join the Imperials in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. But before I actually start, I want to apologize for using screenshots. This is a much easier way of recording for me since it is very space and time efficient, so you'll forgive me, however you'll have to bear with me, since I don't have any other method of recording currently. But anyway, to actually join the Imperials, you will be offered that choice right after the escape from Helgen. If you sided with the Imperial dude instead of Rayloff at the beginning, you will be taken to his uncle, who is the blacksmith in Riverwood. And once you actually arrive there, I think immediately after you will be given the quest to join the Imperials. However, you can also get that quest without following him. If you follow Rayloff, you can also get the quest. And to do that, what you're gonna want to do is talk to, I think it's either guards or Imperials or anybody in Solitude. You will be, after a while, if the correct dialogue triggers, you will be given the option to actually join the Imperials. And what you're gonna have to do is, I think, go to I know you have to go to Solitude and go to, I think it's Castle Dower. Or not Castle Dower, or rather, yeah, it is Castle Dower. Once you go to Castle Dower, you will have to talk to, what's his name, the General Tullius, and Legate Rike, who is his basically right-hand woman. And once you do, you will be given the option to join the Imperials and go on your first quest to locate the crown, the Jagged Crown. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.